How to add music on CapCut. Are guys facing issues to import music on your video on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to add music on. Once you select the project, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for audio. Click on it. After you click on it, now tap on sounds. Look at the top of your screen where you can see the option for beat, block, feel and dreamy. Select it according to your preference. You can see multiple musics over here. Just simply tap on plus icon. Once you click on plus icon, your audio or music will be added on the video. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add music on CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out.